Today we unravel the hidden Tesla secret that long-term investors have continued to keep. A secret that explains how and why Tesla can reach a market cap of $4 trillion by 2030, and its stock price a whopping $1,500 by 2024.
We're trying to understand how a business operates and what's special about it and why other people can't do the same thing. And in the case of Tesla, we are convinced that people cannot do what they're doing, and that ultimately it's not just going to be a car company, it's not just going to be a battery company, but ultimately all the other car companies, which 50 years ago elected to become much more profitable and outsource supplies and compute to other people, we're going to be like Intel was inside of computers. This is going to be Tesla inside of cars. All the cars are going to be using Tesla autonomous driving. No one else can possibly compete.
Ron Baron is the billionaire CEO of Baron Capital, who recently revealed that he's made up to $6 billion on his Tesla investment and has plans to continue to hold on to it for at least another 10 years. He also believes that Tesla's competitive edge could make it dominate the S&P 500 by 2030, with the automaker's net income and free cash flow growth accelerating in the coming years, and a concurrent expanding margin profile to accompany revenue growth. Interestingly, there is not just speculation around this, but solid predictions that are based on facts and data. So how does Ron Baron justify his bullish outlook? What are the reasons behind his confidence and faith in Tesla and Elon Musk? And what are the risks and challenges that Tesla faces? Well, we're going to find out all of these in this video and more. So stick around until the end and don't forget to subscribe.
Is because the value of your money falls in half about every 14 or 15 years. Regardless of what they tell you, we're going to have 2% inflation, yeah, for a little bit, but then it'll go back up to 4 or 5 again, but on average it's going to be 4 or 5% for my entire lifetime. That means everything doubles in price every 14 or 15 years. And the way you can hedge against that is you can invest in the market, which goes up about 10% a year, on average, including dividends and everything. So the way I think about it is that the investments that I have are investments for the long term in businesses where I think we're going to double our money over a period of time. Instead of 10 years, we're going to try to double our money every 5 years, 5 or 6 years. How do we do it? Instead of investing in companies that grow 7 or 8% a year, we're investing in companies that grow 15% plus a year. And then we have a mix. Some of these companies that we're investing in, like a Tesla or like a SpaceX, can grow very, very rapidly, but they're riskier. So we offset that risk by having investments in companies like Vail, which has or Hyatt, real estate companies, resort companies, financial companies like Charles Schwab.
Ron Baron's bullish comment on Tesla is not just a mere speculation or hype. It's based on extensive research, analysis, and experience as a long-term investor. The expert has followed Tesla closely for years, and now, just as always, he reiterates his bullish stance on the leading auto company. Hey guys, welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. Tesla is one of the most successful and innovative companies in the world. The electric vehicle maker has been disrupting the auto industry with its cutting-edge tech, design, and performance. But not everyone is convinced about Tesla's potential, and it's not surprising. The company has faced many challenges and skepticism over the past few years, like its production delays, quality issues, competition, and regulatory hurdles. Tesla's stock price has also been volatile, reflecting the uncertainty and high expectations of the market. However, with all of this, there is one investor who's been steadfastly bullish on Tesla as far back as 2014. Ron Baron, the billionaire CEO of Baron Capital, has been a long vocal supporter of Tesla and its CEO Elon Musk, and has made a fortune from his investment in the company. According to recent plans with CNBC, Baron said he'd made $6 billion on his Tesla investment, and he plans to hold on to that for at least another 10 years. We think this is fascinating because Baron is not only impressed by Tesla's current achievements, but also its future prospects. The investment expert believes that Tesla can reach a market cap of $4 trillion by 2030, up from its current value of around $680 billion, and he thinks Tesla can hit $1,500 per share by 2024, up from its current price of just over a little beyond $200. So how exactly does Ron Baron justify his optimistic outlook? Let's find out. But before we carry on, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. Tesla's competitive advantage and innovation is driven by its vertical integration, software capabilities, and constant improvement. For instance, Elon Musk called Tesla's lithium refinery a money-printing machine. In May, Musk announced a plan that would have the capacity to make enough lithium to support the production of around 1 million EVs annually. And now the system is set to debut earlier than initially projected, and it may also expand in scope. According to Tesla, the plant's primary purpose is to produce lithium hydroxide that can be used in the production of battery cells at the company's Gigafactory in Austin, Texas. And the secondary goal is to demonstrate the power of Tesla's cheaper, new processing system, which could become an industry-wide standard if successful, thus transforming the electric vehicle industry yet again. Tesla's growth opportunities and diversification, which include expanding into new market segments, as well as markets in general, and products like in China with the Model Y, Cybertruck, and Robotaxi, all give Tesla a very significant competitive edge over its other competition. The automaker's positive impact and mission align with Ron Barron's values and vision of a sustainable and prosperous future. While the analyst acknowledges the risks and challenges facing Tesla like competition, regulation, execution, and valuation, he also trusts Musk's leadership and vision, and is confident that Tesla can overcome any obstacles and achieve its goals. Barron's comment is not just an isolated opinion. Many other analysts, investors, and experts have also expressed a similar positive view on Tesla, and have raised their price targets and ratings. For instance, ARK Invest founder and CEO Cathie Wood, who reiterated her $3,000 price target on Tesla by 2025, has said that Tesla could be worth $4 trillion in the best case scenario. Similarly, Colin Rush, an Oppenheimer analyst, has once again reiterated Tesla's dominance in the EV world. He noted in a previous interview that Tesla continues to have important technological needs in the EV space, and a lot of their competition is struggling with production costs. He also reiterated that Tesla has a deep, talented team that is really focused on achieving its goals. But the problem is, despite these interesting facts, Tesla's stock price is still plummeting at a significant rate, begging the question, does Tesla's future still look bright? Well, there are several factors that can cause Tesla's stock price to reach all-time highs, and some analysts like Ron Barron have factored these into their Tesla predictions. First up is the Robotaxi platform, an innovation that Elon Musk has said could cause Tesla's stock price to go up the chart. Musk noted that this innovation will be a major driver of Tesla's growth as a vehicle is fundamentally optimized to achieve the lowest cost per mile, and it will be cheaper than a bus ticket. Another one is the Tesla bot, Optimus, which Musk is predicting will be worth more than the car business. And then there's Cybertruck and FSD. Ron Barron is one of Tesla's biggest fans and supporters, and has shown faith and confidence in the automaker, and has reaped the rewards of that investment. Ron Barron also has a long-term vision and perspective, and is not swayed by short-term fluctuations and noise. He's an example of a smart and successful investor who knows how to spot and seize opportunities in the market. Do you plan to stay bullish on Tesla like Ron Barron? Let us know down below. And if you want to know more about Tesla and what it's been up to over the last few days, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there.